This is Nucleus One, a system that brings your entire business together to get work done. We often hear about departments and teams complaining about completing work items in multiple products like project management, email, chat, and doc management. Nucleus One is one product to do all these functions all under one roof and seamlessly work together on all aspects of your business without moving from one product to another. Let's begin by looking at your home screen where you'll find projects and departments. Projects are great for specific goals and usually have some sort of end date. Members of a project can be anyone that is invited from inside your organization or even outside, while departments don't have end dates and follow more traditional business hierarchies with more complex permission structures. From here, let's take a look at tasks. Now, tasks can exist both in projects and departments, and a task can easily be created and assigned to an individual. Here, I'm going to click on a pre-made task, and you'll see that you can give it a name, assign it to a person, assign a due date, and then fill out the description. Over on the right, you can also have a discussion or a chat about the items within the task for anyone who is a part of that project. So to mark a task complete, just click Mark Complete, and that task will disappear from your list. From here though, the life of that task may not be over. Completing that task may start or progress an approval process or workflow. Now, approval processes and workflows can be made up of tasks or documents. It could be as simple as I can come in here, review this task, and see what items have actually been completed and marked complete. But it may also be things like collaboration on creating documents, maybe a policy and procedure, or making sure that a time off request is approved. Approval processes and workflows used to be something that only an administrative level person could perform. But now, within Nucleus One, this could be simply a drag and drop operation. So let's look at that approval process that we were just reviewing with that task. If I wanted to alter this, maybe add a new notification, I could simply drag the action of email here and then make a connector from the task approval to the email here. Then I can adjust my email settings and my workflow is complete. Let's look at another item that may kick off one of these workflows. In here, I'm going to go to my department for human resources, and then there I have some fillable forms that I've created. Now, these fillable forms could be something as simple as an employee acknowledgement, but it could also be a time off request or an employee evaluation. If I click this employee evaluation, you'll see I have a web form that can easily be filled out. It may have drop-down menus or even fillable checkboxes or radio buttons. Now that this form is filled out, let's look at some other things that we can do with these documents. If I come back up here, I'm going to click on the signatures option. Whether it's a form or another type of document, we can send these out for a digital signature. And when you go to the signatures area, you can see files that you have out for signatures, or maybe even documents that are waiting for your signature. Signing the document is easy. You just click the Sign Now, click Signature, hit Submit, and you're all done. From here, you could go to the Documents area to review any of the signed documents or other files if you've added to this file. This area has an easy-to-use document folder browser where you can drill down to the documents you're looking for. If you right-click on any one of the folders, you have the ability to upload documents, scan a document in, and adjust the properties in sharing. In the sharing area in departments, you can share a document with other people in your organization. In projects, you can share it with people in your group, or you can share it with people outside your organization as well. If you'd like to view the file, you can just click the document and you'll see it full screen. If you'd like to see the document properties, you can just expand that by clicking this button. And there's also a document discussions or chat area if you'd like to have a conversation about the document. Here you can see Chris thought this candidate was great. If you'd like to see more of the document, you just click him again and it expands the document. Searching for documents in Nucleus One is a snap. In the main Nucleus One window, you can click up here, and in this search you can do a Google style search or click Advanced Search, where you can select a specific field that you would like to search within. So I'm going to look up Charles' file here that we were just looking at. And if I just type in Charles, you'll see I'll get his tasks and his documents here that I can take a look at. And of course, just like I did before, I can click that document and open it full screen. So this has been kind of a quick overview of the main features that you'll find in Nucleus One. Please watch our other videos so you can see how we may tackle things in specific departments or industries.